French prosecutors have raided technology giant Google's Paris headquarters. Authorities there say Google is under investigation for aggravated financial fraud and organized money laundering. Now, French court officials said on Tuesday that the technology giant is suspected of evading taxes by failing to declare the full extent of its activities in the country. Google denies the charges and says it is fully complying with French law. Well, to tell us more about that, we're joined now in the studio by TRT World's Sourav Roy. Sourav, okay, we gave a very brief explanation there of what Google's up against, but give us a better understanding of what these charges really are.
Well, the French government is accusing that Google made money in France through different sales and that it made profit out of the sales as well, but never paid taxes, and therefore there are charges of tax evasion on Google. Google says nothing like that ever happened because it does not sign sales contract in France. All it does is signs service contracts, and therefore it doesn't make any money out of it. Now that's cheeky, but nevertheless the fact is that Google still faces a fine of about $1.6 billion that the French are claiming from Google.
So where does the money Google make in France actually go to?
So here's what happens. All Google European subsidiaries make money from wherever they are, and the money then is routed to Ireland, to Google's European headquarters known as Google Ireland Holdings. Now, although it's called Google Ireland Holdings, its cost center is in Bermuda, where there's no corporate tax. Therefore, when Google transfers money from Ireland through Netherlands into Bermuda, it actually doesn't pay any tax. And so it gets all the cash in its kitty. And that's what Google calls as tax optimization, but the French government calls it cheating.
Okay, Sourav, we're going to have to leave it there. Thanks for that. And I'll be back in a few minutes, or actually I'll be back at the top of the hour with more news. A special edition of Newsmakers is next from the World Humanitarian Summit. Do stay with us.